Begin by carefully opening the box to ensure all components and accessories are present. Remove all packing materials, including the rear suspension, left and right pedals, LED front headlight, charger, manual, headlight clamps, tools, and hardware. Next, extract the bicycle from the box using wire cutters to eliminate remaining packing materials, as well as the front brake caliper and handlebars. Thread the handlebars through the forks to the front and position them there. Now, focus on the handlebar stem. Use a 4mm Allen key to locate and loosen the 2 pinch bolts on both sides of the stem. Rotate the stem 180 degrees to face the front of the bicycle and retighten the pinch bolts partially. Following that, remove the handlebar clamp by loosening the 4 handlebar clamp bolts in a cross pattern. Direct attention to the display clamp bolts located underneath the display. Loosen both bolts with a 3mm Allen key, adjust the display to your preference, and then tighten the display clamp bolts. Fasten the handlebars to the stem in the correct orientation, ensuring the display interface is on the left and the Shimano shifter on the right. Refasten the handlebar clamp in a cross pattern. Moving on, attach the front wheel to the front suspension forks. Remove packing material from the disc brake using wire cutters. Note the through-wheel hub and necessary axle fastened to the front suspension forks. With assistance, gently lift the front end of the bicycle, loosen the 4 pinch bolts near the axle, and use an 8mm Allen key to remove the front through axle. Align the front wheel within the front fork, ensuring the disc brake is on the right side. Slide the front through axle through the front forks, the front wheel, and the other side of the forks. Fasten the nut on the opposite end of the axle and refasten the 4 pinch bolts. Now attach the front brake caliper to the front fork. Remove the 2 green nuts and the brake pad packing spacer from the caliper. Ensure the caliper bracket spacer stays in place. Align the front disc brake within the caliper and use a 5mm Allen key to fasten it to the front forks. Do not fully tighten yet. Hold the front brake lever, observe caliper alignment, and then secure the caliper bolts completely. Release the brake lever and your front brakes should be adjusted. Moving forward, attach the rear suspension to the bicycle using 2 5mm Allen keys. Remove the packing brace bar, have a friend gently hold up the rear end of the bicycle. Align the rear suspension within the frame mounts and slide the bolts through the frame and suspension. Fasten with the bolts on the other side. Attach the pedals to the crank arms using a 15mm open wrench. The left side is reverse threaded, tighten to the left, and the right side is standard threaded, tighten to the right. Finally, attach the front headlight. Assemble the 2-piece clamp and fasten it to the front fork tubes with the provided hardware using a 5mm Allen key and a 10mm open wrench. Repeat for the opposite clamp. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws from the headlight, take note of the silicone spacers, and tilt the headlight clamp for better access. Place the silicone spacer between the headlight and the headlight clamps and refasten the Phillips head screws. Locate the waterproof connector stemming from the headlight. Align it with the corresponding waterproof connector from the bicycle and connect them securely. Your R1 bike assembly is now complete and ready for use.